بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. I greet you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh on this the 9th day of the month of Shawwal from Sheffield in Britain with the news that I'm about to travel to Brussels, inshallah. So this video is entitled Calling Brussels. There are only two events scheduled for Brussels. One is a dinner in a restaurant, halal restaurant, which we hope will take place on the evening of the 9th of May, which is a Tuesday. And we're not going to mention the name of the restaurant at all in public. If you'd like to join us, each person will pay a part for the bill, of course. If you'd like to join us for the dinner, and our sisters are also welcome, for the dinner on the 9th of May in Brussels, you'll have to send me an email. And you'll find my email address at the bottom of the screen. That is a social event for me to be able to meet with you, see your faces again, have a chat with you a little bit, spend a little time with the sisters, answer questions that you may have that will not take too much time. It's a social event. And then the next event will be on the 11th of May, which is Thursday, Yawm al-Khamis. And we already have a hall, but we'll not give you the address of the hall in public. If you want to attend the event on the 11th of May to get the location, the venue, and the time, then you have to send me an email. My email address is at the bottom of the screen. I'm sorry, we cannot give you the information in public. You'll have to write to me to get that information. And then the next day, Yawm al-Jummah, on the 12th of May, I will depart Brussels for Rotterdam. I have the good news for you that we have sent a few sets, complete sets of my books ahead of me, and they've already reached Brussels. One or two of you have ordered complete sets of the books. I hope too many don't order because we don't have many sets. So you'll get your books in Brussels. But those of you who would like to buy copies of my books, they will be available in a limited number. Remember, limited number. You'll be able to get them not at the restaurant, but you'll get them at the lecture, inshallah, and I'll be able to autograph the books for you as well. So thank you for this opportunity. We thank Allah that I'm able to visit you once again in Brussels, and I look forward to meeting you, inshallah. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.